A woman grieving the recent loss of her husband.
Don't be nervous.
My husband passed away not long ago, so
And the sad story of a motorist who lost everything.
To help those people who are in need.
These cases melt at everyone's heart you don't want to miss. Starting off with number 2.
Kimberly Napton. Good morning.
Good morning.
Kimberly, you have 2 red light violations on Eddie and Dudley streets. Okay, do you remember driving the car?
Well, I think I made that right turn about maybe 300 times from May. I know on the 20th, my husband was having a second craniotomy for glioblastoma brain cancer that day. So I know on the 20th, I wasn't driving the car. My mom flew out from California. I have no doubt that she rolled through. On the 24th, I'm not sure. But I know on the 20th, she was driving the car. I just know I made that turn a lot. It's possible I was driving it on the 24th. I don't know. It's okay.
Don't be nervous.
My husband passed away not long ago, so
Kimberly,
yeah.
I'm not going to look at the video.
Thank you.
I'm not going to look at the
It's okay.
My heart goes out to you.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you. It's okay. I'm okay.
We wish you well.
Thank you.
You know, I wish things turn up pretty good for you, but
No, I appreciate it.
based on these circumstances, I think justice demands I just dismiss the cases.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's very kind.
Say
I
it
just
again?
happen to have $20 on me, so I just want to give it to maybe a single mom or so. I was a single mom for years before I met my husband, so maybe somebody here could use this. So can I just give it to you? Is that okay? Can I do that?
You can do that.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I really
Get back to the mic.
Oh,
Yeah. We're going to pay for somebody's ticket with this,
great.
okay, in your honor.
My
Right.
husband's name is Jeffrey. You could do it in his name.
And your husband's name, what's his name?
Jeffrey Napton.
Jeff. I learned a couple of things about you today.
Pardon?
I learned a couple of things about you today.
Okay.
Right. Number 1, that you were a loving wife. And number 2, you have a great, 3 things. And number 3, you have a great family.
I do.
And also you have a good heart.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Good luck.
And finally, number 1.
Christian Aoyo.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Roy. Your car's not registered. Why not?
Honestly, I just got the car. They dropped off the car to
I've been on
me.
the bench for a long time. No one ever said to me, Judge, let me tell you a lie. Everyone says honestly. As soon as I say honestly,
No, it's because I just got the car a couple of days ago. They dropped off the car that I was in town. I was actually looking at seeing my aunt in New Hampshire. When they dropped off the car, they left the plate on it. The next morning, when I got there, the car had a boot. I called the person. I didn't buy the car from the original owner. I bought it from somebody else. I'm still trying to figure out who's the original owner because I don't have no paperwork to the car. There's no title. All I got is a bill of sale. I can't register the car unless I get a title. It's a 2005 Mercury Sable. So the plate, to be honest, I have no idea whose plate it is or who it comes back to.
let's start from the beginning. The car is registered to Rosarius Pina. You are Christian, right?
Yeah.
All right, so evidently, do you know who Rosarius Pina is?
No.
That's who owns the car.
Yeah, I don't know who's actually the real
So
owner of the car.
you never registered the car?
No.
How long did you have the car?
Just a couple of days. They dropped it off the next morning. The car had a boot. I started because I'm homeless. I live in the car, so all my stuff is in the car right now. All my clothes, all my stuff is literally in the car.
Well, do you know where the car is?
No, I have no idea. I came here yesterday. They told.
We could probably tell you where the car is. And go to the tow company and get the stuff out of the car.
All right.
But you're not going to get the car back.
I won't be able to. No, I don't have no money, unless I borrow the money. But
When did they tow the car?
they told it from Felix Street.
When?
No, well, I don't know if they told it because they told me that they were gonna hold on until I come speak to you first.
Oh, so they haven't told it?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
good.
I have no idea.
Yeah, so no, it's still there then, Your Honor.
That's
with all
even
its
better.
belongings.
Because I came here yesterday about it to find out what can I do, and they told me to come today to speak to you about it, see what was gonna happen. So she called the people from the booth not to tow the car yet.
first of all, I believe you, okay? And I know when you're broke, and I know when you don't have any money. I mean, the mistake you made was you were driving a car that wasn't registered, had somebody else's plates on it. But I'm going to overlook that, given your circumstances in life. I know you're homeless. It's not easy. You're sleeping in a car. I understand that. There's $290 worth of fines. My inclination is to keep the car registered in Rosarius Pina's name so that whoever that is, they'll be responsible for these tickets and your name won't be involved.
All right.
Okay? The only other thing then is for you to get the car, the boot off the car, and that's like a $100 boot fee.
I mean, I could try to make a phone call if I can get the money out. I'm not sure, to be honest.
The court's going to impose a $100 boot fee. Okay? The boot fee will be paid from the Philomena Fund. You will not have to pay it. The Philomena Fund is a fund named after my mom. It consists of donations that are made to this court for the court to use its discretion to help those people who are in need. And so based on that, we're going to use $100 from the Philomena Fund
Appreciate it.
to help you, so that you will get the car back. Okay? You can't drive it with that plate.
No, I don't drive it. It's just parked so I can sleep in it.
At any rate, the boot will be released.
Appreciate it.
Problem is that wherever the car is, once you drive it, it's going to be unregistered again, so
You know, I usually, I have one of my friends, he does tows, so he'll do me the favor and remove it for me.
you
with
move
no
it so
tow.
you'll have a place to get it.
Yeah. He's gonna park it in one of his lots and I'm just gonna remove the plate, give it away to a police officer so they can just take it. I don't even wanna deal with the plate. I never had this issue before. This is my first time. My dad passed away a year ago, so I've been tough. It's been tough for me.
I understand that. I understand that. Good luck. I'm rooting for you. Hope things work out for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, before the morning is out, the boot will be released.
Thank you.
You'll be able to go and get it.
I appreciate it.
Good luck.
Thanks.
How do you feel? You feel better?
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. I was just kind of lost. You know, I was just like, I'm gonna lose all my stuff. I don't know where to put it.
Okay.
I used to live with my dad, so he's not here no more. I don't have help. So,
We're rooting for you.
thank you.
Good luck.